set up my heater. So what I already did is I got the propane tank, I got the heater, I got the hose. Everything is just still unconnected. I have to read the warning stuff. I know everyone says if you don't use it outside. That's basically what everyone tells you. That's what I tell you too. Also, because I'm a little scaredy cat. In Germany you would say Schisser. I bought a propane or like gas and carbon monoxide detector. I already have a carbon monoxide detector, but I wanted one especially for the gas because I mean apparently you can smell propane pretty well and intense, but I don't know, I just want to have something to tell me for sure. So I'm gonna read the instructions for this too. The problem is, I mean, it has a backup battery, but that only operates like 36 hours, and so it's for the wall plug. I will plug it in my battery, my external battery, and see how much it draws, and I guess I'm just gonna like set it up every time I use the heater. Oh, by the way, my heater is an Olympian Wave 3 heater. See you in a bit. I read all the instructions now. Slides open like that. Somehow. Yeah. And there's, I don't know. I have never, like this battery came with it. I've never had this battery anywhere, so let's do it like this. Okay. Okay, let's, whoa, Jesus. Okay. And what do you do now? How do you do that? Ah, come on, why are you such a... Do you just... I don't know. How do you do it? You suck. Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, this is seriously fucking ridiculous. They don't say anything, like how. Now I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna put a fucking rubber band around this battery and hope it will fit in there. This is like, who fucking designs this shit? Oh. You just had to press more. Well, fuck that. Yeah, that was unnecessary. It definitely works already, but I want to plug it in and see how much battery it draws.
There we go, okay. I want to put it somewhere else where the battery is. Yeah, this is unboxing deluxe. It fucking sucks. Okay.
There we go. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's plug it in. And this is it. Why is it fucking 97%? I charged it to 100% today. That is not good. Let's see how much it will draw. Can you stand? Beautiful. So annoying looking. As you can see, this is my bed, popcorn and my laptop. This is just a wool blanket. And there you see it. I kind of wrapped it in some, it's basically a fleece blanket. It's pretty snug. I got those bungee cords. Usually this would go above it. So this is an 11-pound tank. I've never had such a tank. This is a refurbished one. I bought it for $78. This is a low pressure regulator, specifically from Camco for this heater. So this hose goes underneath the bed and comes out. This is my pee bottle. That's for later. Okay, so this is the hose. I'm just gonna tuck it in there every time I don't use it. Bendy and being a little bitch. I hope you're nice though. Are you nice? But only with my house shoes. But there he is, tucked right behind the passenger seat on his little legs. I bought the legs. They suck. There are 4 holes and they did not manage to line them up. It's a little wobbly, but it should be fine. Let's hook this baby up. I don't smell anything. It's obviously very off. I guess I just take this thing, screw it on, right? Like this. Yes, that looks good. Whoa, why did it do something already? I don't like that. I don't know. Getting this baby up here. I'm just gonna continue. Okay. This is all I can do. Doesn't say like how, but I think it has to go down. Thank you. Let's go on to this side. This was an impulse buy. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna screw this little, it will be nice to me and not kill me. How tight do I have to screw it on? I don't know. I got this little guy. No, not really. I guess that's it. Stop, read the safety instructions above. I'm just gonna walk you through all the steps now. Turn heat control knob to start position. This is this one. Set start position, check. Make sure gas supply is turned on and gas is available. Depress control knob firmly for 10 seconds and then while continuing to hold control knob, press piezo sparker. I need all my hands. 1, 2, 3, and then I press this, and then after that I should hold it depressed for 45 to 60 seconds. It says, when ignition occurs, you will see small blue flames dancing over the catalyst pad face while it heats up. The flaming is normal during startup. Yeah, but it looks pretty good. Well, and after that, I have to release the control knob and then push it slightly again and then turn it to high and leave it at high for at least 10 minutes and then I can turn it to low. Enjoy the heat! Temperature wise, we started at 11.3 degrees Celsius. Let's see what happens. It's not very bright. It's at low. I'm stupid. I'm gonna set it to high. As you can see, it's already getting a little redder. Let's just wait what happens. Oh yeah, one important thing I totally forgot is open the windows. Open actually both windows because yeah, there needs to be like some kind of airflow, and if there's only one window, there's not really an airflow. So I guess I will do that, but not yet. I wanted to get a little warmer first. My feet are cold, so I need to heat them a little bit, heat them up. It's like 17 minutes later and it is 2 degrees more now than it used to be. I can totally feel the radiant heat. I do smell a little bit. I smell something. And I guess that's like, because it's like very intense from here, I guess it's like the smell of that burned whatever that is. So it's no gas. I checked it. It doesn't say anything. It also doesn't say anything about carbon monoxide yet. So like, yeah, a reading of 0. So I guess I'm just gonna leave the windows closed for now. I mean, I'm definitely not gonna sleep in here with that thing on. I won't die. Just for peace of mind, I don't know, I feel so happy I have this thing. So good. I just hope it really works. Then bye bye. Thank you for watching.